It's a 2018 Buick Enclave. You live life on the go, so make the most of every moment with this luxury SUV. 3 rows of seating and generous cargo flexibility await, with premium materials, warm wood tones, and brushed chrome accents to delight the senses. The 2018 Enclave is also lighter and stronger for more responsive acceleration and handling. Quiet tuning technology reduces cabin noise, a premium ride suspension reduces bumps in the road, and Buick infotainment system with color touchscreen offers easy and attractive control. You'll also love the OnStar with 4G LTE and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, power rear liftgate, rear vision camera, and remote vehicle start. No matter the moment, make the most of it with this Buick Enclave. Test drive it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.